James, and I am the official drummer for Rio and a Limp Bizkit cover band called Chocolate Starfish. I've been playing drums now for ever since I was probably around about 15, maybe, 45 now. So it's about 30 years off and on, but has become my main instrument over the years. Used to play guitar, went over to drums and fell in love and been doing it ever since then. Normally play with an acoustic and electric kit, my hybrid kit, but at home in between shows, so my normal kit is pretty much in the car 24/7 at the moment, which is never a bad thing. But again, I've got some backups just in case I need them. I first came across Collision probably I would say around about 3 or 4 years back, I think it is now. Got a pair of 5As, fell in love. They lasted absolutely ages. The durability, comfort in playing, you know, is what we need as drummers when it comes to our performances. You know, good, strong, reliable sticks that we can go to whenever we reach in the bag, whether it's before set, during the set. You know, these have been great. So normally play with 5As. I've tried the 7s. I've had these 7ARs, so part of the Reach series. Again, probably one of my second or third purchases from them. And tips are going slightly a little bit. You know, these sticks have been going for, I would say, at least 2 years. And you can see they've had a lot of love. They've seen a lot of action. They've been at a lot of shows up and around the UK, and they're still going. I used these in a show that I did in my local venue, and I was playing for 2 bands. So my original band and one of my old bands I used to play with. Again, both sets at the start and at the end of the performances, I was using these, and again, really good, strong, sturdy sticks. So yeah, I really highly do recommend anybody who's looking for a great company. The community with Collision, all the communications that I've had with them have been amazing. They've always got back to me in a very good time frame, and obviously any help that I've needed with anything, they've always literally been at the other end of the phone or via an email, and have always been amazing and assisting with whatever I've needed. So definitely worth checking them out. Get yourself a set of these. You can find them on the website. They've got loads of different styles. You can customize them as well. So if you've got the need to have your signature or band name or anything like that, you can get those engraved and printed on your sticks. I believe you can also get these in white as well. So yeah, go check them out. And thanks for having me in the family. I can't wait to show you more interesting new stuff that's coming this way in 2025. So thanks, take care. Hope you like the performance. Bye.
This is called The Haunted.